Hello everyone, my name is Olivia Soares Camargo and I am the agriculture expert at senseFly, the global leader in fixed-wing mapping drones. We know that agriculture professionals face many challenges today, and it's not always easy to overcome those challenges. You have to supply a growing world where production demands are greater, where laws are stricter, and part of the challenge is to not increase your production area. Overcoming these challenges on a daily basis takes effort and time. That's why I am very excited to share with you our new drone for agriculture solution, the senseFly eBee Egg. eBee Egg is designed to help all the agriculture professionals, producers, agronomists, service providers, to overcome the many challenges they face in the field. It helps you to save time in the field, and it helps you to make better decisions regarding your crop planning and crop health. What's more, eBee Egg was made with you in mind. It's simple to use, it's robust, and it fits into your existing routine by integrating with your existing farm management information system. But how do we achieve this? eBee Egg, with its dual, multispectral and RGB sensor, is capable of collecting essential information for decision making. From pre-planting to post-harvest, eBee Egg can be used with any outdoor agricultural crop and covers large areas with exceptional accuracy, thanks to its available RTK positioning system. With eBee Egg, the basis for decision-making becomes true knowledge of the total area and not based exclusively on sampling. For example, eBee Egg helps you avoid wasting valuable inputs, time and labor by identifying specific areas that may require the application of treatments. Any problems can be quickly located, allowing the application of quick solutions and preventative measures, which in turn increase efficiency and cost savings. Now I would like to pass it over to Brock Ryder, who is going to talk with you in more detail about the all-new eBee Egg.
Thanks Olivia, and thanks everyone for joining us. Today we're excited to unveil another addition to senseFly's eBee fixed-wing mapping drones, the senseFly eBee Ag. With eBee Ag, we've developed a complete drone solution for agriculture to make it easier for agricultural professionals like yourself to overcome some of the challenges that you face in the field. That's why I'm excited to share with you how aerial and multispectral data captured with senseFly's eBee Ag can improve the productivity of your operations, save you money and maximize crop yields. So how do we do this? eBee Ag provides timely aerial data, letting you collect high-resolution RGB and multispectral data at the same time of your entire field, allowing you to spot problems that would otherwise go undetected by the naked eye. The eBee Ag is a reliable, affordable fixed-wing drone that allows you to map and monitor crops quickly and easily. With its fixed Duet M, RGB and multispectral camera, automated flight and vast coverage, the eBee Ag delivers timely and accurate plant health insights that help you make better decisions, improve on your crop yields, save on inputs, better allocate your resources, and achieve greater potential profit. With that, I see three key areas to discuss: ROI, data quality, and performance. With ROI, the eBee is a flexible solution. What does that mean? Well, now that we have on board a high-resolution RGB and a multispectral camera, we can do more jobs faster, such as using 3D modeling with the RGB for water management type applications, and at the same time collecting multispectral data to do an array of different types of vegetation indexes for health analysis. It's also a scalable solution, allowing you to map larger areas faster and to roll out this product across your crews in the field. The eBee Ag is also an extremely affordable solution for fixed-wing drones, coming in at $12,000 US That's with the platform and the camera ready to go. This is an easily scalable solution as well that you can roll out across your teams to cover larger areas faster and more efficiently. Next, we talk about data quality. And to start with, we'll talk about the Duet M. This brings together our best-in-class senseFly soda camera, our 20 megapixel global shutter, high resolution RGB, with the Parrot Sequoia sensor 4-band multispectral camera. So at the same time, we're capturing these two different data sets, allowing us to create multiple data applications, such as vegetation index maps, aerial maps, DSM maps, and so forth. And with all this here, we also have the ability to upgrade the eBee Ag to RTK. For a price of $3,000, you can activate the RTK on the eBee Ag, further improving that field efficiencies. Next, we'll talk about performance. The eBee Ag is extremely lightweight and durable, coming in at 1.4 kilograms and with our ultra-rugged underbody solution. And as with all senseFly drones, it comes standard with the new senseFly backpack solution, making your solution truly portable to get anywhere on site, over fences, or however you need to operate in the real world. Next, we have flight performance. The eBee Ag, unlike many multirotors that give you around 20 minutes of flight time, give you a flight performance of up to 55 minutes with our endurance battery. And all our drones come standard with the Emotion software, the brains behind everything, making this truly a simple and easy to use solution. Drawing a box or polygon in your software, telling it the results that you want, and then just sending it to the drone so you can go out in sight and make sure your life is easy by launching that drone and focusing on the job at hand. And proven, with the eBee Ag based on more than 10 years of research and innovation, you can rest assured with the quality of the product that you are being put into your hands on site, making sure that job gets done day in and day out. And with everything from senseFly, we back all this up with world-class training and customer support, available to you all over the world through our distribution network and through senseFly Direct. And of course, we have the new senseFly Certified Operator Program, allowing you to get certified by senseFly, making sure you get the best efficiencies out of this product. eBee Ag is the newest member of senseFly's eBee X series of professional mapping drones. The eBee Ag is available immediately from all senseFly authorized distributors globally. Please log on to sensefly.com to find the closest distributor to you. For more information and an in-depth look into the full range of features and applications for the eBee Ag, please join us on our upcoming webinar on the 24th of February this year.